Hey everyone, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a little sticker haul. I've gotten some goodies this past week and I thought we could open up together and see all the different goodies. So we've got 2 Sweet Kawaii design orders and a Sweet Bean Plans Halloween advent calendar. Now obviously I'm not going to open up all the different things, but I'll pull out what it looks like all wrapped up. So let's see, this is the invoice there. This is my Sweet Kawaii design freebie Friday order, or it was fudged up Friday. That's right. Ooh, this is a fun one. It was fudged up Friday, last Friday. So that was when you could get like a little oopsie bag with your order, which are so fun to open. Okay, so I did get the spooky Christmas kit, which is one of my favorites because I love Christmas. It's my favorite holiday, hands down. I'm not super into Halloween. Like, it's okay. I don't mind it. And I love decorating like with stickers and cute little things. I'm definitely like team cute, not team gory or spooky or anything like that. So I do like, you know, all the Halloween things in my planner, but this is like the perfect transition kit to go from the end of October to, you know, into November, where I really start using, well, I'll use like Thanksgiving kits and stuff like that. But, gosh, I'm gonna have to look at my plan because I'd already planned out all my kits and I didn't include this one. So, what shall I do? Here is the pack of all the goodies, all the freebies and other stuff that I ordered. So this was the metal washi card from last week. I was so excited that I was able to get one in time. Here's my freebie. Use code Jennifer10 to get it with your order. I love it. It's so cute and fun. Here is this is the September freebie because this was last week when I put in the order. Really cute. Can never have enough of these cute guys. I put them up. So as new ones come out, I have 3 little acrylic stands where I keep these journaling cards. And then as new ones come up, I just replace them. So my little card and decorations kind of change. And then jumbo sticker, Merry and Bright. And I love the jumbo, like the large deco. I think those are really fun. It's really fun to not only use in the weekly spreads if I need to fill a hole, but also on my daily pages and stuff like that. And I don't think I can ever have too many garlands. I love garlands. All right. Oh, my oopsie bag. This is so exciting. I wonder what I got. Now, I can say in the past when I've gotten the oopsies, I have no idea why they're oopsies because I think they look great. So we have, Mad Picks. Oh, those are cute little composition books. Guess I had that a little too close. So Mad Picks right there, little composition books. I don't have these. These are cute. Aw, Sunny Bears. Thunder Bears. That's so cute. We don't get a lot of thunderstorms here, but if we had some, I would totally mark them. And, oh, trash. Simon Trash. Absolutely, can definitely use those. I'll have to remember to use these in my daily planner for the trash days. All right, so that was my fudged up Friday order from last week. Okay, next is the Sweet Bean Plans Halloween. It's not an advent, I guess. It's a Halloween countdown. I guess that's what it is. Okay, Halloween countdown from Sweet Bean Plans. So again, I'm not going to order, gosh, my words today. I'm not going to open it up in terms of opening up the envelopes because 1, I want to actually do it when it says to do it. And 2, I don't want to have any spoilers for anybody else who got this and maybe you don't want to see what is on the days. I'm going to have to open this knot and then come back. Okay, I got it open. That was challenging. Anyway, so we've got, it's a 13-day countdown, counting down to Halloween, and then the envelopes tell you what day to open it, which is really helpful. Instead of me trying to figure out what I'm supposed to do, it tells me right when I'm supposed to do it. So it counts down here. So October 24th, 29th, so we're getting closer to Halloween, and then we open on Halloween. So I can tell these are probably washi tapes just from, you know, how they feel. Then I'm sure there's lots of stickers and goodies like that. So I think that will be very, very fun. Huh, I wonder why that has a C. I don't know what that means. I guess maybe we'll find out. So this will be really fun. I will need to remember this and put it in my planner. We've got 13, so October 19th. So what's today? Saturday the 7th. So I've got 12 more days to wait. Oh, that's going to be hard to wait to open this stuff. Okay, my last bit of Happy Mail for this week, which was quite a bit of Happy Mail this week. I don't normally have 3 different things to open, but I shall take it. It was a long week. We had parent-teacher conferences, well, student-led conferences, so it was a very long week. I was working much later than I normally do. It was, you know, teaching and then conferencing, which is always great to meet all the parents, but it's a very long day of being on, right? Teaching all day and then having engaging conversations with parents and students all afternoon. So it's very nice to have a little bit of time to open up this Happy Mail. Okay, so this was my $2 Tuesday order. I had not ordered $2 Tuesday in a little while. I kept meaning to, and then I would get distracted and I would forget, and then it would be Wednesday and it'd be like, oh. So I made sure to go back and get all the ones that I hadn't gotten. So again, here's my freebie. Ooh, the October freebie. So cute. Look at that little stocking. Oh, new journaling card. I don't skip leg day. I'll have to put that one in my little frames. And then, and of course, when I was ordering $2 Tuesday, Tasia had just put on some new things on the site too. So I got little tabs for my cousin. And then I also got these absolutely adorable letter stickers to go on this absolutely adorable Hobonichi cousin cover sticker. And then there's another one that I ordered, but see, I use the one that's split into 2. So I'll use this for either the January through June or the July through December. I haven't decided yet, but so cute, because then you can use these letters to put your name here. And oh my gosh, cutest idea ever. I love it. Okay, so I got those, and then like a bazillion $2 Tuesday sheets. Okay, that might have been a little bit of an exaggeration, but I got a lot. So this was the Spooky Christmas. This came like really fast. I ordered it Tuesday and it was here. Yeah, Tuesday, and it was here, I don't know, Thursday or something. I can't remember when it came because I couldn't. It was really fast though, because I remember thinking, what is that? What did I order? And I was like, wow, that came super quick. I mean, it always comes super quick, but this was like extra super quick. So I've got these, and I use these. So this is how I order $2 Tuesday. I get 3 of the full box stickers because I use these in my Daily Duo. I use them in my Hobonichi Cousin. I use them in my A6 if I use that one. I use them all over the place, and I keep them year to year. So then I've got different stickers to use when in multiple planners. Anyway, I've got like a ton of albums, which I just kind of go through and use up, and it's really great. So I get 3 of the full box. Let's see, I get 3 of the faux washi because I like to use these on the daily planner. I get 1 date cover because that gives me 1 week in the daily planner plus another week of doing like cousin daily pages or whatever. Full or half boxes, especially now that she started including these really cute decorative ones. Can't resist. Quarter box, and that's it. So then you'll see this repeated for the other ones. The ghost kit, love the ghost kit. It's so cute. I mean, just that ombre. How adorable is that pink to gray? I love the colors. Again, I'm all about the cute, you know, kind of sarcastic, snarky Halloween theme. So there's the 3 full box ones and the adorable half boxes and quarter boxes. I don't remember what this kit was. Oh, I think this was Thanksgiving. So I had ordered a Thanksgiving weekly kit, but I'm not going to use it in my weekly planner. I'm going to use it in my Daily Duo, my daily planner. So I wanted to order some more faux washi to cover up all the days, or to put one on each day. So that's what this is. I don't have any of the others of that. This is the... it's a Halloween one, obviously, right? From the, I don't remember which one it is though. Halloween Critters, maybe? So cute. That makes me laugh. Okay. And then this, gosh. This must be the, you know what this is? This is the November kit. This is the one I'll be using in my weekly planner. Look at those checklists. They're so cute. And then it's also nice because, you know, I get the monthly subscription, but then this adds on to it. So when I use these up, or if I use up the subscription, I kind of combine it all into my albums that I can use in all those different planners. Really cute. There's that journaling card. Perfect as we head into more fall stuff. Although I can tell you right now, it has not been fall here. Oh, that goes at the top. It has been like near 100 the past couple days. Very, very hot. I am not a happy camper. I am looking forward to cool weather for sure. Okay. Thanks for hanging with me while I unpacked my Happy Mail. Happy Mail's the best. I hope you've gotten some Happy Mail lately that has brought a smile to your face. I will see you next time. Happy planning.